Hello to all my friends out there. So I made myself a prepper meal. Something happens, I'll just whip myself up a little meal. Okay, the first thing I made was some corn tortillas. Woo! Take a look at these. If you stockpile the cornmeal, this is very easy. Let's see, I will have this one. These are tasty. Then, I made some creamy, and these refried beans are really, really creamy. So, okay, so when I'm making like prepper meals, I don't want to spend a lot of money on my prepper meal. I want to pretend, you know, some emergency has happened, God forbid, and I need to go in and get the food I saved and make myself a little dinner. I get these big jars at 99 cents only. Okay, so everybody knows to do this. Everybody on the planet knows to do this. This is easy. So it would be beans, rice, corn, and vegetables. Okay, so what I do is I made a little batch of rice. Here's my rice. And the way I serve this is I put a little pile of rice in the middle. And then I get my vegetables. These are good. Rats, I have rice on my spoon. Okay, so now here's my vegetables. I just took any vegetables I had. I had potatoes, I had sweet potatoes, I had zucchini, I had corn, and you know, I just made myself a little batch of vegetables. Okay, why this is very important, you know, I've seen some prepper videos and you know, after a few days, you're going to be either good and sick or good and hungry. This is very good if you're very poor. Okay, so I made myself some tea. Okay, for prepping, I think tea is good because you can use iced tea or hot tea. And I got this at 99 cents only. But for prepping, I get 100 bags for $1. But tonight, I feel like having chamomile tea. So, okay, I think you will agree that this might be better for you than a can of raviolis, and this might go a whole lot further too. So you want to teach your kids. You want to teach your kids to do this. I didn't take my milk out. But what I was going to use was half evaporated milk, half water. So, okay, if you want to see how I made this, homemade tostada, and you know, you don't want to be adding a lot of ingredients to these cheap prepper meals. Just add water, Dollar Tree, Walmart, and then, you know, I got tomatoes, zucchini, I have potatoes, rice, and beans in the stockpile, and then, you know, some vegetables and rice. That was what the lady I knew went to Mexico. There was no food and there was no jobs, and her little girl almost starved, and an old man, and I feel it was a real miracle, came up and said, "Ma'am, your daughter is starving. You need to get," he gave her a bag of rice, a bag of beans, probably some corn for tortillas, and told her to plant a garden. So, okay, you guys, that's my prepper meal, and God bless you all, and welcome to all the new preppers, too. So, okay, you guys, God bless you all.